Welcome to this 5-minute affirmation video. I'm glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. In the next 5 minutes, you will hear 5 carefully selected and powerful affirmations on repeat. Try to repeat these sentences in your head or out loud, and feel the energy change around you. As we delve into the realm of positive affirmations, remember that consistency is key. By incorporating these statements into your daily routine, you're not just engaging right there, you're cultivating a mindset that fosters resilience, self-love, and a brighter outlook on life. So, sit back, relax, and tap into the true power of your mind. I am in charge of my breathing. I can get through this. It's okay to leave my comfort zone. I inhale peace, exhale doubt. If I keep doing it, it will get easier. I am in charge of my breathing. I can get through this. It's okay to leave my comfort zone. inhale peace, exhale doubt. If I keep doing it, it will get easier.